bafethu disappoint avutshas bafethu ngiyazi masifike ngenye phezu kwenye bafethu tanku bafethu ngikhaphini singene next station 5 bafethu sibaboneni ukuthi baphila kanjani bafethu ngoba siyazi motivate after motivator kahle bafethu ngiyazi ukuza ama-question bafethu isikhapheni lapho danko bafethu davutshas phezu kwenye bafethu ngoba nazi bafethu ngiphethele indaba ezimnandi bafethu motivate after motivate namhlanje ngiphethele ubhutweni bafethu konje ubani igama ubhuti
Babulavel
bafethu ngizile ukuthi Babulavel bafethu Babulavel abantu mabafuna bangithola va
bangangithole ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ko-TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Mthendiso Lavel
Zwile bafethu yatholakala TikTok, Instagram, Facebook bafethu utholakala everywhere bafethu futhi ngathanda ukuthi nibabukele lapha emakhaya kulabo abahlukumezwa abazali
thanda ukuthi i-gender based violence akazi waba into engcono and uma uyithola usesimeni njalo report utshele someone akusize
anzwile bafethu report utshela abanye bafethu utshela abazali utshele lo next door nawe ukuze naye ezokhona ukunceda bafethu okay ngathanda usipha i-poem or something else ngalento ekuyisho
i-poem anginayo mfethu kodwa mfethu just never give up mfethu uyabona ungaphelelwa amandla hlezi mfethu uyimele uwedwa mfethu uzazi ukuthi uwedwa ngoba vele mfethu uwedwa empilweni so mfethu sithembe ube wedwa ngoba ngisho nelona nelanga lime lodwa
tanko bafethu tanko njengoba sebesizwile bafethu ukuthi isithembe mfethu ungagive up empilweni bafethu sibheke nendlela yakho yaphambili ungabobheke emuva kakhulu ukome nje kuphela tanko tanko bafethu davutshas bafethu sase-connect station 5 bafethu lasibhethu ubhuti wethu bafethu ubani igama
mina igama ngambongo Shona
bafethu njengoba izwile ukuthi uShona bafethu eShona utholakala va
Califordine station 5 nasalindeli
okay bafethu utholakala eCalifornia naselindeli abantu mabakufuna bafuna ku-Instagram kuma-internet bangakuthola va
ngikhona ku-Instagram, TikTok, ngikhona naku-Facebook.
Bangakuthola ngobani ku-Facebook naku-Instagram?
Sean Stylish.
TikTok?
Sean Stylish.
Okay bafethu njengoba nimzwile bafethu uyatholakala Instagram, TikTok ne-Facebook. Eshona ungathini abantwana abahlukumezayo abahlukumezayo emakibo kanje abahlukumezwa abazali ungathanda ukuthini kubona?
Ngithi bafethu balekani bafethu ngahlukunyezwa ngizokhawatheka bazongibulala labantu. Angeke akuhlukumeza akushaya cabanga uzofa nje yami.
Okay bafethu njengoba nizwile bafethu baleka bafethu baleka osameleni baleka. Okay ngathanda ukuthini laba abazibulalayo bamanje bebathe ukuthi mina nginabazali ingcono ngizibulala ngathanda ukuthini kubona for ukuthi bangazibulali bavikele babe safe nabo bangazibulali.
Laba bazibulalayo laba bayahlanya njengoba kumnandiso la ngaphandle. Hayi ziyakhula le ngane nama grade 8 la gijima la ngaphandle ayakhula unyazibulala mayenze into le ndoda now my sister nathi sikhona ngithi ngazibulali ngibatshela lokho kuphela.
Okay tanko bafethu songayivala cameraman. Tanko bafethu davutshas bafethu niyazi phezu kwenye bafethu la ngifike la e-station 5 bafethu ngihamba neHotman ngihamba ubani igama lakhe uKoki. Bafethu uHotman uKoki igama lakhe eHotman abantu mabafuna bangakuthola kuphi?
Station 5 khona la.
Bafethu ngizwile e-station 5 e-station 5 enkulunyane bafethu mama nifuna ngamthola e-station 5 kuma internet bangakuthola kuphi? Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube bangakuthola kanjani?
Angitholakala ku-Instagram.
Bafethu angatholakali bafethu ithi sibekenye phezu kwenye bafethu Hotman Koki ungathanda ukuthini babuke lapha emakhaya kulabo abazibulalayo bama 2000 ungathanda ukuthini kubona ukuthi bangazibulali?
Ngizobatshela ukuthi mina bathanda impilo bangathandi izinto zamanje angithola bangathanda bangaphaphi into zamanje ngoba yabona impilo saseyide angithola ntwana kumele ba relax basithande angithola before into zibaye.
Angizwile bafethu bathi relaxani bafethu ngazibulali bafethu istress into edlula manje bafethu songayivala kanjalo camera ekusebe bafethu sesami ungathanda ukuthini abantwana abazibulalayo these days ungathanda ukuthini kubona?
Okay, kokuqala igama lami utholakele ngaziwa ngonjengimali. I'm a person like less in social, so ngihlala eCalifornia station 2. The question was ngayenzani like ngaba advise kanjani abantwana like abazibulalayo. So abantwana abazibulalayo guys kuyadepend ukuthi like kusuke kwenzakalani khona abanye they go through abuse so bacabanga ukuthi ukuzibulala is a solution. Ukuzibulala is not a solution, it's like shortening your life because like you don't know what's ahead. Yabo kungenzeka kube umuntu ongashintsha umndeni wakho even though uba like wena egini like abazala usasenabo like baningi abantu abayintandane and abanye banawo ama-parents but ababatreat like the way they have to be treated njengabantwana. So i-solution mina there are certain things ungazenza like ukudlala ibhola to distract yourself, play sports, sing. I sing, I talk to abantu abadala ukuthi bang-advise into ezikanjalo. So sabantu we have different strategies of distracting ourselves yabo. So nginga-advise kanjalo like i-percentage ye-suicide alimele iyehle because like manje is high. Ne-abuse is high, like it's known as GBV, so percentage yakhona is high. So amaphoyisa yes bayayenza into, but then not as people we have to be like have a stop in everything. We have to eat like even if it takes us too much, we can march for that to stop. Thank you.
Ngoba nzile bafethu zikhiphe busy ukuthi ya zikhiphe busy ungacabanga kakhulu ungacabanga nokuzibulala bafethu. Ngiyabonga sisi wami, ngiyabonga.